Today, I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G18 18-inch gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you start looking for an 18-inch gaming laptop, you are essentially looking for a desktop replacement. You are not looking for something to toss into a small bag for a quick coffee shop run. You are looking for raw, unadulterated power, a massive screen, and a machine that can handle anything you throw at it. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 is a machine that sits right in that category. It is huge, it is aggressive, and it is built to be the centerpiece of your gaming desk. Before we jump into the details, if you want to see the latest pricing or check out the technical configurations available for this model, you can find the relevant information in the links down below. Right out of the box, you notice the size. The 18-inch Nebula display is impressive, not just because of the sheer physical space it occupies, but because of the visual experience it delivers. The 2.5K resolution is the sweet spot for a screen this size, making everything look sharp without putting an impossible load on your graphics card. The 240Hz refresh rate combined with a 3 milliseconds response time is exactly what you want for competitive titles, where every millisecond matters. When you are gaming on this, you feel immersed, especially since the color reproduction is vibrant and accurate enough to handle some content creation alongside your gaming sessions. At the heart of this beast is the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor. This is a high-performance chip designed specifically for laptops that have the thermal headroom to handle it. With its 24 cores, it is a multitasking monster. Whether you are running a heavy game while streaming on a second monitor, or you are compiling code or rendering video while your chat client and browser are open in the background, this processor does not even break a sweat. It is paired with an AI Boost unit, which is increasingly becoming a standard feature to help manage system resources and background tasks more efficiently. Now, let's talk about the graphics. This particular configuration comes with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, which features 8GB of GDDR7 VRAM. It is important to have realistic expectations here. While the processor is top-tier, the 5060 is a mid-range card within the 50 series lineup. It is excellent for 1080p and 1440p gaming, especially when you leverage DLSS 4 to boost your frame rates in demanding titles. You will get smooth performance in modern AAA games, and ray tracing is certainly on the table, but you should not expect to max out every graphical setting at 4K resolution on every single title. It is a very capable card, but it is not an RTX 5080 or 5090. If you are a competitive gamer who wants to hit those high frame rates, this card will do it, provided you balance your settings appropriately. The cooling system is one of the most critical parts of an 18-inch laptop. ASUS has implemented a robust thermal solution here, featuring a full-width heatsink and tri-fan technology. You will hear these fans when you are in a heavy gaming session, which is to be expected given the hardware involved. The good news is that the thermal design keeps the chassis relatively comfortable to touch in the areas where your hands usually rest. However, if you are planning on running this at maximum load for hours on end, you should make sure the back vents have plenty of room to breathe. These machines are designed to pull in and push out a massive amount of air, so don't expect to use this on a plush rug or a soft bed without obstructing the airflow. The build quality feels appropriately premium for the ROG Strix branding. It is solid, has a bit of weight to it, and features the aggressive aesthetic that ROG fans have come to know and love. The keyboard is a highlight, offering good key travel and individual per key RGB lighting that you can customize to match your setup. The touchpad is large and responsive, though most users will likely be using a dedicated gaming mouse anyway. One aspect of the design that is worth calling out is the port selection. You get a good variety of USB-A and USB-C ports, HDMI 2.1 and an Ethernet jack, which is essential for low-latency gaming. Having the option to plug in multiple peripherals without relying on a dongle is a major quality-of-life benefit. One of the real advantages of this machine is the ease of upgrades. ASUS has designed the chassis with accessibility in mind, meaning you can open it up to add more storage or upgrade your memory down the line if you ever need to. This longevity is something you don't get with more compact or soldered-down laptops, and it significantly increases the value of the investment over the long term. Being able to pop in an extra SSD when you run out of space for your game library is a massive convenience. On the software side, it comes with Windows 11 Pro, which includes some extra professional features that can be useful if you are using this machine for work as well as play. The integration of Copilot as an AI assistant is there if you want it, and for productivity tasks, it can actually be quite helpful for summarizing documents or helping with quick email drafts. It does not get in the way of your gaming, which is the most important thing. Now, who is this laptop for? It is clearly for the person who wants a high-performance machine that stays on their desk most of the time. It is a fantastic choice for students who need a powerful workstation for engineering or design programs and want a single machine that can handle modern gaming during their downtime. It is also great for gamers who want a desktop-like experience without the permanence of a tower PC. If you move from your apartment to your parents' house during holidays, or if you travel for work and need a familiar setup wherever you go, this laptop provides that consistent, high-end power. Who should avoid it? If you are looking for something thin, light, and easy to carry around all day on a college campus, this is not the right choice for you. Its size and weight make it cumbersome for portability, and the power brick itself is quite large and heavy. If you primarily game on the go in crowded areas like trains or planes, the 18-inch form factor might actually be a liability because of how much space it takes up on a tray table. Furthermore, if you are looking to do pure 4K gaming with ray tracing maxed out, you would be better served by looking for a model with a higher-tier GPU, like the RTX 5080 or 5090, though that will come with a significantly higher price tag. The value proposition of the Strix G18 comes down to the balance of the powerful CPU and the practical, high-quality display. You are getting a machine that feels like a flagship in terms of its build and its screen, even if the 5060 GPU is more of a mid-range workhorse. It is honest about its capabilities. It delivers a fast, fluid, and immersive gaming experience, and it does so with a processor that will likely be relevant for many years to come. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 is a nice future-proofing touch, ensuring that you have the fastest possible wireless speeds if your home network supports it. In practice, the experience of using the Strix G18 is about that extra bit of breathing room. Everything feels spacious, from the screen to the keyboard layout. It feels like a machine that isn't struggling to fit into a tiny chassis, which allows for better thermal performance and a more comfortable user experience. While it is not perfect, the fan noise is a factor and the size is a limitation. It hits the mark for the specific buyer who values a large, immersive display and top-tier CPU performance. It is a high-performance tool that commands your attention and rewards you with a seamless gaming and multitasking experience. If you can handle the footprint, it is a very satisfying, powerful, and well-designed laptop that offers a great foundation for any gamer or creator who needs more from their computer than an average machine can provide. It earns its place on the desk, providing the power and the space you need to work and play without compromise.